electron automation. The world of electron. Within the ambience of microseconds, nanoseconds, milliseconds.
Alright, ma, so as it is now, the battery is off and the inverter is off, and the system from the changeover here, everything is off. So what we are seeing here is only the panel that is displaying. So from here, as you can see, if I keep it down, means that everything is totally off. So from the panel now is off, and the battery is off, the inverter is off. So let me show you how to operate it one after the other. So the first thing here is I'm putting on the solar panel. Alright, so the solar panel now is on. So the next thing you are seeing, yes, from the inverter is displaying there to show you that it's on. So what you are going to do first is to put on the inverter. So how do we put on the inverter? We have to wait for the battery to show first from the panel.